So the last time we saw my cousin's torch red '03 Mustang Mach 1, it was sitting in the back of a lot with a blown engine. It had spun a rod bearing, and the car's been sitting a lot. It's starting to fade a little bit, but sad to see it like this. It's been like this for several years. I have the whole story about this car on my channel and everything it's been through. It's a pretty interesting story. But my cousin called me and said, hey, guess what? My Mach 1's getting fixed. And he sent me a picture of it with the front bumper off the hood, the engine out. And his friend is replacing the engine in it. He got a 40,000 mile bottom end. And he's reusing the heads, got them all cleaned up, and the car is running again. So these are some pictures of my twin brother, Danny Johnson, and my Mach 1 when I had the torch red, and my cousin, all three of us hanging out. It was kind of fun back then. So it's good to see this car back up and running. That's really good to see this car running again. Props to the mechanic who did all the timing set and everything and put the heads on it and did really good work. So that'll be really nice to see this car back and running soon. And so hopefully we'll see it more on the channel. And I really didn't think this was actually going to happen anytime soon. This was definitely something that was years out. It was just something that my cousin wasn't able to have done yet. And so his friend hooked him up and got the shop where he owns and the mechanics to work on the car to do it for him. So, again, great work by them. It's cool to see this car back on the road, and hopefully we'll see it around here soon. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more Mustang content.